Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Budget Hub. In this video, I am back with a new idli tray. Previously, I used to use this aluminum idli tray. It's very toxic. In olden days, and jails they used to feed the criminals with this aluminum plates. That's what Britishers introduced this aluminum to India. Before aluminum, we used to use clay, brass, and brass plates for cooking, for eating and cooking purpose. Now every house has this toxic. This aluminum works like a slow poison. Instead of this aluminum idli tray, I have replaced with a steel idli tray. Recently, I ordered this on Amazon. This was a price around 8,000 to 1,000, between 1,000, like a 1 or 200 more or less. This was very decent. If I can open this, this is the lid, how it looks like, and we have in this tray we have four trays, four idli trays on this idli tawa. This is the simple and easy to clean. I'm very comfortable, very clean, very neat, and with the help of this I can make at least for 16 idlis at a time. For medium or small family, this is the best requirement, for best suitable idli tawa for you. Previously, this aluminum idli tray works like a slow poison. You're feeding slow poison with this aluminum idli tray when it was heated. When it was heated with a heater, it will automatically release a slow poison from this aluminum material. That's why I'm slowly moving from aluminum to iron tawa, as well as cast iron. There's so many other good materials like clay pots, cast iron, iron tawas. Compared to other materials, so cast iron, comparatively iron tawa, iron like steel or iron are affordable than other like a brass and copper and other materials. I hope you like this video. My intention is to please avoid using aluminum and other like a non-stick pan. Use this steel and other healthy materials. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to Budget Smart Hub. Thank you guys.